Hello guys, welcome back to my sewing corner. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you're very much welcome. Thank you for stopping by, and if you've not joined this amazing family, please click on that red subscribe button and remember to turn on the bell beside it. That way you'll be notified every time I upload new videos. Without wasting time today, I'm going to be showing you how to make that uneven flare that you can see on the screen. So I'm going to be showing you how to make I call it high-low because it's low at the back and then high in front. Okay, so you can call it an high-low skirt, okay, or high-low gown. It depends on whatever you want to use it for. I'm going to be illustrating with my pattern paper, okay. So the flare you can see on the screen right now is a 360-degree flare, okay. So you're going to need your waist measurement for this project and also the skirt length, okay. All right guys, so now to fold your fabric, okay, for the circle, you're going to fold it first horizontally, okay. You fold it like this horizontally, and then you fold it vertically, okay, so that you can have a square, okay. It depends on the fabric you have. You might have a rectangle, it depends, okay. So if you're cutting for a long skirt, it's going to consume fabric, okay. That's it. That's what works for it. So let me show you. So you can see that mine is a rectangle because this side, the horizontal part, is longer than the length, the vertical side, okay. So now if you're working with waist circumference of, let's say for instance 28 inches, you're going to divide that by 4 because we've already folded our fabric into 4, okay. So you can see that here I'm having 2 folded edges, okay. So that means this one is 2, that makes it 4 layers. So you're going to divide your waist circumference into 4, okay. So 28 divided by 4 is 7. Place your tape rule around those 2 locked parts, okay, these 2 folded edges, okay, and trace out the 7 inches. So this is where my 7 inches is. Then I'm going to measure from here to here. So I have 4 3/4. I'm going to take that round, okay, 4 3/4, 4 3/4, okay, 4 3/4. So that is going to be my circle circumference, and from this 4 3/4 I'm going to measure the length that I want to use for my flare, okay. So like I said, if you're working with a long skirt, you are going to use more fabric, okay, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to use this what I have left. I have 5/4 here, as you can see. I'm going to measure that, take that as my length. So if you're working with a longer length, obviously, if you're going to make it a skirt, you're going to work with a longer length, a longer measurement. So make sure you just take it accordingly, the way you see me take it, okay? So I'm going to take that 5/4 round, okay? So for this high-low, you are going to take your actual measurements first before you shape it, okay. So you're going to take the length for the back. You know the back is the longest part. You're going to take the actual measurement, okay, so that way after cutting it you can make alterations to it. So now I'm just going to cut it out for us to see. Okay, so this is what we have for our 360 peplum, okay. So this is my 360 peplum. You can see that both sides are let me show you the full picture. You can see now. So you're going to pick this side, any part of it for the sides, okay. So it's either you pick this side and this one for the sides, and this for the front and back, okay. So the only place where you're going to slit open is the back, okay, so that your zip will go through that part. So you're going to slit the back like this so that your zip will go through it. So if you're going to insert a zip, please give the allowance for your zip into your measurement. So for instance, when I took the 7 inches, you just take 7.5 or 8 inches so that the 1 inch can go for the zip allowance. But so that we can make the best of this pattern, I didn't take that, okay. So now obviously this is the back. Now I'm going to come to the front, because the front is where we want to make adjustments on, okay. Like I said, this is one side, this is the second side of the peplum, and this is the back, okay. So you come to the center here, the center front, and it's better you shape it on fold. So I'm going to fold it so that we can have equal sides, okay, so that it can be evenly shared, okay. So still remember, this is the center front and this is the sides. These are the two sides. This is the center front and these are the two sides, and this is the back, okay. So from this front, I'm going to shape it. I'm going to reduce the front and then connect it to the sides, okay. So whatever you want to use for the reduction, you're going to take it. So I'm going to reduce it by what? Let's say I reduce it by 2 3/4 or so, okay. So you're going to connect this to this point first. Can you see that? If you want the shaping to get to the back, you can continue it that way. Let me show you. So that the back, let me show you what I mean. Now, when you get to that place, you just stop towards the end of the back. Can you see? So you're going to, all of this will be going out. So let's just cut it and you see what it looks like. So this is what you have for your high-low. You can see that by the time you sew it, okay, let me staple that part. So let's say you've attached you fixed your zipper to it. So let me just staple it. Okay, so this is what you will have. So you can see that the front and the back are not equal. So I only use this pattern for illustration. Obviously yours is going to be longer, just for you to get the basics, because if I to start laying fabric here, we will not capture it well. Okay, so I hope you find this tutorial useful, and if you do, don't forget to click on the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please click on the red subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.